Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a unboxing of my first purchase of Colourpop. So I ordered this box on May 24th just to give you guys a reference, and I did get it on the 28th. They ship fairly quickly. So now I'm just gonna open the box and share with you what I got. So I did order this palette while Colourpop was having their 5-year birthday. So I did get a free goodie. So when you open the box, there's this really pretty packaging, but it's an orange colored background with like a blue cactus and then 2 flowers here at the bottom that are pink and blue. And then they packaged this really well. Look at all that bubble wrap. I'm really impressed with their packaging, and the shipment was fairly fast, so I kind of give them an A+ on that. So then when you open it up, I see that there is the free gift I got. This is their Super Shock Shadow in the shade Birthday Treat. So this is what it looks like. It's got a 5 and it has Colourpop all around the lid with some gold detail, and the gold is 5 as well. Then when you open it up, it's this really pretty sparkly pinkish nude color. It's really pretty. The way that it's imprinted, it kind of reminds me of like mermaid scales, so I think that's kind of cute. So I'm going to swatch it. It's really soft. I'm going to do this by my thumb, and with one swatch, that's what it looks like. It's really pretty. Kind of looks like a champagne-y color with like pink glitters. That's one swatch. So that tells me that these are really, really pigmented. And like I said, they're really soft, like to the touch. And with one swatch, you get so much payoff. That's very impressive. And so now going to the item that I purchased. This is the Main Squeeze Pressed Powder Palette from Colourpop. And the color scheme is watermelon because it's got the green stripes. And then like red with like pink and gold. And then on the back, it's like the same scheme. And then it's got the shades names on the back. Then when you open it up, it's got pink and white inside. And then when you pull it out, this is what the package looks like. It's super pretty. And then when you open it up, you do get this really big mirror. So that's really impressive. And then you get your 8 shades that I will be swatching for you guys here in a little bit. There is 3 shades per row. Starting with the first row, you have the shade called Froze. The second shade is Juicy Fruit, and the third shade is Home Slice. Then when you go down to the middle row, it's Like It's Hot, Maraschino, and Big Gulp. And then the last row is Seed Money, Baywatch, and Red Bottoms. There's like a lot of reddish tones in here, and that kind of concerns me because reds do kind of stain. So I'm going to be interested to see while swatching if, as I rub it off, if it will stain. So while swatching this palette, I did have problems with Seed Money, which is the first one in the third row. I really had to dip in the pan several times to be able to get a good swatch, and it wasn't just a one swatch and you have a perfect pigment. But since it didn't swatch well, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's not going to have payoff when putting it in your eye, blending it, etc. I just wanted to give you guys the heads up on that. So I did kind of want to tell you how much this palette was. So this palette was $12 with a $5.99 tax. $12.99 for 9 shadows is like a very fair price. I did get this card today, and it has all of their social media. So they have their YouTube, which is Colourpop Cosmetics, their Snapchat, which is Colourpop Co, and their Facebook, which is Colourpop Cosmetics, their Instagram, which is Colourpop Cosmetics, and then they have their website, which is colourpop.com, and their Twitter, which is also Colourpop CO. And they spell color COLOUR, so if you're trying to figure out how to spell it, that's how it is. And it does say XOXO happy 5th birthday, and it says Colourpop, and this color scheme is really cute. Then when you flip it on the back, it does have this really cute bubble letter and this ice cream cone with hints of pink with all of their social medias in pink. So I think that's super pretty. So that is it for my unboxing. I know it was small, it was only 2 items, one which was free. I will also check to see if they're still having their 5-year anniversary and let you know in the corner of the screen as well. So you can get your free Super Shock Shadow as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much.